Hi guys, welcome to Mrs. Senesac's classroom. Today we're going to talk about the difference between tone and mood and the author's purpose for creating those tones and moods. I always say my mood, their tone. So remember M and M, T and T. So their tone meaning the author's tone and my mood meaning the reader. So mood is the emotional atmosphere. It is the feelings that are supposed to be felt by the reader. So just because you are the reader and you're not necessarily feeling those things, you know what you're supposed to feel. You know what you're supposed to feel based on the author's diction or word choice. Now tone is the author's attitude or feelings towards the topic that you're reading about. And that's obvious through, again, the author's word choice and the things that the author is obviously trying to convey. So they have their own tone and we have our own mood. So what's the purpose of tone and mood in a text? Well, first of all, tone sets the tone for the entire piece. Tone directly relates to the author's purpose because if the author feels a certain way towards a topic, then it's going to relay into their purpose for the text. So let's say the topic is global warming, then the author's feelings are going to reflect how they talk about a topic. So if their attitude is remorse, then they're going to describe all of the things in the text that should make others also feel remorseful, which in turn affects mood. This doesn't always happen. So the author's tone directly will impact the mood. When we say author, we also can refer to the speaker. So the main character, their thoughts and feelings. In certain short stories, like A Cask of Amontillado, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, the main speakers, the main point of view, their tone might be a little off. So some things that make the author or speaker or person in charge of conveying the message may feel happy about, the reader might feel uncomfortable. They might feel something totally different from that main speaker. So for instance, when you have an insane character enjoying doing something that is immoral and wrong, it sets a mood and it sets an emotional atmosphere where there's this major discomfort. There's this cloud of darkness. So when your teacher asks you to identify tone or mood, you have to give them specific terms and words, and they're going to want a strong word that has a strong connotation that both refers to the emotional atmosphere or mood and the author's attitude towards the subject, tone. So here is a list of moods. And here are a list of terms you can use for tone. So in the description below, you're going to see a PDF and it's going to give you those lists of tones and moods. You're going to be able to use those when you're evaluating literature, and you can determine what those moods and tones are based on evidence from the text. So I want you to read through literary texts and really think about what you're supposed to be feeling emotionally and what the author is feeling based on the words that are being used. So pull quotes. So if you've got a paragraph about a dark forest and there's fog and there's this sense of foreboding, that is all developing the mood. The tone is going to be different if the author seems to be in love with this scary place. I hope you enjoyed your virtual lesson of the day. And now let's hear a little something from Mrs. Crop.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please check the description down below for any links or goodies that we may have included. Also, please leave us some comments, questions, inquiries, anything that you want to say to us. We would love to hear your feedback and we will respond. If you would like to see these videos continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is very important. We hope to see you next week. Thanks everyone for watching.